I'm not sure, but I think this contactor got a little toasted. Even the windings were frying. Look at that. Look at them contacts. Melted all the way down towards the lug. It was almost coming through the plastic right there. Wow. Yeah, I think that's why this wasn't cooling. It just didn't fail on its own. That little bastard right there went bad a couple weeks ago. Must have been chattering that contactor. Now this is a cooked contactor. Look at that sucker. There's like not much of the points. I could see a hole down through this thing. One of the points is supposed to be on that top one. Wow. This is actually the victim of chattering. The power was cycled from a bad EMS controller, like a backtalk controller, you know. It was bringing the sucker on and off randomly. Even the windings right there, pretty toast. It was starting to melt through the plastic there. Yeah, and then it cooled off and kind of stayed in that spot. It didn't work anymore. Wow, that sucker melted all the way through there. Even the spring kind of lost its strength, you know. It got hot and cooled off again. Look at that. See, they don't even look the same anymore. Toast. Good thing the compressor restarted. It's in a McQuay water source heat pump. Those suckers are tough as nails, man. And this is a 208 volt coil, not a 24 volt. Right there. Man.